Today I'm going to teach you how to embed an iframe on your Squarespace website. This is incredibly useful when you want to display external content like videos, maps, calendars, or interactive elements directly on your site without leaving your Squarespace platform. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with the website you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to embed the iframe. Once you've found it, simply click on that website to open its editing interface. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it and then click the Edit button to enter the site editor. This is where you'll have full control over your website's layout and content. With the editor now open, navigate to the section of your page where you want the iframe to appear. Click on that section to select it. Once selected, you'll notice an option to add block. Click on Add Block, which will open a menu displaying various block types you can insert into your page from the block options that appear. Scroll through until you find Embed. Click on Embed to insert an embed block into your selected section. This block is specifically designed to handle custom code and external content. Next, you'll see a pencil icon appear on the embed block. Click on this pencil icon to open the editing options. From the menu that appears, click on Code Snippet. This will allow you to insert custom HTML code, which is exactly what we need for embedding an iframe. After clicking Code Snippet, you'll be prompted to click Embed Data. This opens a text field where you can paste your iframe code. At this point, you should have your iframe code ready. If you have an example iframe code like I do here, go ahead and copy it. Now paste the copied iframe code directly into the embed data field. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters or extra spaces. This ensures the iframe will display properly on your site. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your iframe is now embedded on your Squarespace website and should display the external content as intended. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an iframe on your Squarespace site, allowing you to enrich your pages with dynamic external content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.